Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will help you in understanding the danger of pop-ups that come from the website Eees.xyz. These pop-ups are also titled as Install Required, so it could be that some people would think that this is some important installation, but the point is that Eees.xyz pop-ups try to hijack your default search engine and to actually infect your browser. I've made the analysis of this website on Alexa site ranking, and you can clearly see that these pop-ups are getting more and more active. They attack the US, and of course other countries are under the attack too. Now, if you basically install this extension promoted by these pop-ups, you will notice that your default search engine got changed. When you submit some search queries, you see that the results are provided by websearches.club, which is not your choice, of course, and it's some strange search engine that doesn't provide you with any decent search results. Furthermore, it instead promotes a lot of sponsored links and ads that may often point you to a lot of deceptive pages in the internet. Therefore, I strongly advise that you do not trust these Eees.xyz pop-ups and get rid of the extensions that were installed by mistake. So go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any suspicious extensions that you see here. Also, I strongly advise that you perform the additional checkup of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is downloaded, let it update the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan. This will begin the thorough research and analysis of your Mac computer. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Of course, in your case, it will be in the trial mode. But you may go to the antivirus section. The program will show you the total number of threads that were found during the scanning. Click on Review Results. So this is the list of threads, and not just the list, but rather their location. You may go to each specific thread, one thread at a time, until you find this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its exact location in Finder. Here it is. You may right-click on it and move this thread to the trash. Basically, you may do the same thing with all other threads, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically and to get your Mac fully protected.